Good morning.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, nobody has joined yet.
So let's wait for them to join.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, good morning. I was drinking water. Good morning.
Okay, ma'am. Can I drink water?
Yes, beta, drink.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Children, we are going to discuss the worksheet that I had shared in the previous period, right? So I think let's wait for other students to join so that we can discuss it all together. Otherwise, they'll ask me the answers again. Okay? I know it's 2 minutes already late, but still, let's wait for 2 more minutes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, today what we will do?
Raina, we are going to discuss the worksheet, beta. First, we'll discuss the worksheet that we did in the previous period, and then we are going to continue it. Till now, how many we have done? 15, right?
Yes, ma'am. 15.
We'll do till 30.
Ma'am, we will do. And we have done till 15.
Yes, we have done till 15. We'll do 15 more in this period. Okay. So we had already discussed till point number 4, right? Large area of flat land. What is that called? A large area of flat land, we all know, is called a plain. Yes?
I'm a plane.
Yes.
ma'am.
Large area of flat land.
Ma'am, but I am not in previous class because. Good morning, ma'am.
Raina, then beta, you will take the work from D group. I'll share the work in D group. You have to do it from there. Okay. A body of water surrounded by land on all sides. What is that? A body of water surrounded by land on all sides.
Ma'am, I think peninsula. Lake.
Tina, on all sides.
Lake.
Lake, a body of water. We are talking about a water body which is surrounded by land on all sides.
Ma'am, it is lake because it is a water
Lake.
body.
Yes. It's a lake. Okay, this ocean is almost covered in ice during winters. Which ocean? Are we
Arctic
talking?
Ocean. Arctic
Arctic
Ocean.
Ocean. Very
Arctic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean.
home to marine creatures like dolphins, whales, etc. Where do
Ocean. Ma'am, please
dolphins,
repeat the
whales,
question.
Ocean.
where do they live?
Excuse
They
me, ma'am,
live.
please
They're
repeat
found.
the
in-
Ocean.
Which one, Jasrina?
Ocean.
Wait,
Ma'am,
Bhavin.
this one which you have been said
Which
recently.
I said. This ocean is almost covered in ice during winters. Which is that ocean?
Ma'am, Arctic Ocean.
Yes, that's Arctic
Yes, ma'am.
Ocean. Home to marine creatures like dolphins, whales, etc. is ocean.
Ocean. I think that is ocean.
And
Yes.
that's
That's
and their weight is very huge water body. The answer is C and ocean.
हम ओपन नहीं कर रहे
now listen, Jasrina, beta, mute yourself.
मैं किधर
Mute
पहुंच गई
yourself, Jasrina. Next, now you'll just raise your hands. All of you will not answer together. Okay, I'll choose who'll answer. Fine. I join two large expanses of water. Who am I? I join two large expanses of water. Just a few hands. I can see only 3 hands. Amoli Gupta is giving a pizza slice. Why, Amoli? Instead, you could have raised your hand, Amoli.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
I join two large expanses of water. Who am I? Two large expanses of water is joined by something. What is that something in between? I want both hands. I am still not happy to see such a few number of hands.
There is less students and
But still only 50% of the students are raising hands. Out of 20 students, I can see only 10 hands raised. At least there should be 18 hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hands only. Just 9 hands, not even 50%.
less than half.
Okay, Yuvraj Gupta will answer.
Ma'am, straight.
Straight, very nice. The answer is straight. Straight joins two expanses of water. There. I get formed due to the effect of wind on water. What is that? I get formed.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
I get formed due to the effect of wind on water. Children, it seems like you are not prepared. You have not studied, or whatever you studied, you have just forgotten. You have not revised in these holidays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hands only for such a simple thing. Just 5 hands.
So simple.
What occurs? What is formed due to the effect of wind on water? When wind blows on water, what gets formed?
Can I tell Baba?
Arhan will tell.
Ma'am, waves.
Waves, very nice. Don't waves get formed when there is strong wind and it leaves its impact or effect on water? What is formed? It's such a simple answer. Even if you have not studied the chapter, you can answer this kind of a question. Winds are formed.
Ma'am, can you tell the spelling?
Wind of waves.
Ma'am, it is waves or waves?
Waves, beta waves. I mistakenly said wind. When wind leaves its effect on water, what is formed? Waves are formed. WAVES. Okay, next question. Naisha is going to answer. I am 5 in number in the whole world. I am a water body, very big and large. Which water body am I? I am just 5 in number in the world.
Ma'am, ocean.
Arhan, are you Naisha? You've changed your name to Naisha?
Yes, ma'am, it is the
Naisha, you
ocean.
got the answer? You were being confused by the question.
Yes, ma'am, I was just
Yes, now
thinking
it's
about
clear?
it. when
Okay.
I read it.
The answer is ocean. I'm just 5 in number in the world. There are just 5 oceans in the world. Right? I'm a water body. I'm very large and big. That's an ocean.
I have to ask something.
Ma'am, please
Ask
see the
beta.
chat box.
Ma'am, do we have to write?
Do we have
Ma'am,
to?
do we have to write oceans or ocean?
You have to write questions.
No, ma'am.
Oceans. Of course, the answer is ocean. Of this question, the answer is ocean.
Excuse me. Ma'am, what is the answer of seventh one?
Seventh one, oceans. The answer of seventh one is also oceans.
Can I give next answer?
Wait. Amoli, you want to ask something?
Please see the chat box.
Read the chat box. Ma'am, do we have to write oceans or ocean? Okay, I'm 5 in number. Ocean, just ocean. You'll not write oceans. And
Okay,
Amoli is saying, ma'am, your voice are so breaking and slow. Children, is my voice breaking? Is it slow?
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
Beta, there must be something wrong in your network. Okay. I am the largest lake in the world, but named as a sea. I'm named like
Ma'am,
Caspian Sea.
excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, Caspian Sea.
Caspian Sea. But who is answering without
Ma'am, Bhavya.
my permission?
Ah.
ma'am,
Beta, you want to be in the class or you want to leave? Tell me. You want to continue in the class now?
Yes.
Then please follow the instructions. Huge tidal waves under the sea. Now, what are the huge tidal waves that take place under the sea? Now, Naisha, can you answer this question? The earthquakes that are caused under the sea. What are those called?
ma'am, tsunami.
Yes, perfect. The answer is tsunami. Very good. I am made up of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases. What am I? Sorry. Which domain am I talking about? I want more hands. Children, more hands. I am made up of different gases. Actually, now you will be removed. All you have to do is you just have to show me your raised hand. You don't have to unmute yourself and speak the answer. And as it is, your answer is wrong. But next time if you do it, you're going to be removed from the class. I am made up of different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases. What am I? Okay, very nice. Who will answer? Now, those who are not raising hands will answer. So, Kunal Patel, what is the answer to this question? Kunal Patel? If you don't know the answer, better say, ma'am, I don't know. But don't sit like this. Don't sit answerless in class. Okay, Vamika Singh, what is the answer? Which domain am I talking about? When I say I'm made up of gases like nitrogen, oxygen. Which domain? Okay, the answer is, shall I tell or you'll speak? All of you together, those who are raising hands.
Ma'am, atmosphere.
Very nice. The answer is
Ma'am, it is
atmosphere. Atmosphere is made up of gases, right? Like nitrogen, oxygen, and other.
I'm argon,
Argon,
helium, and
helium, so many different gases.
carbon dioxide.
Nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium, argon, and oxygen.
Yes, good. I am a community of living and non-living things as one unit. I am a community. Okay, just Karan.
Ma'am, ecosystem.
Ecosystem. Very good.
Ma'am, what is the
Yes.
answer of 30?
13th is atmosphere, beta. Atmosphere. Then 15th one, I consist of three processes like evaporation, condensation, precipitation. In which thing do these three processes take place? What is that natural thing? Vamika Singh. Okay, Vamika is going to answer.
Ma'am, the answer is water cycle.
Yes,
Ma'am, water cycle.
water cycle. Very good, very nice. I hope all of you know now know all these 15 answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just give me a
Yes,
minute.
ma'am.
I'm going to share screen with you for the next 15 questions.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, beta says.
I can't hear your voice properly.
Beta, you can't hear my voice. Bache, you have some problem in your device. There is, like all other children can hear me. There is no problem from my end. It is from your end. Just disconnect your headphones and then see you can directly hear me from your device or not. Disconnect your headphones.
Ma'am, there are only 21.
Okay, now see from number 16, I'm also sending this work on class group. Nobody will say, ma'am, please scroll up, scroll down or anything. I will change the screen whenever I feel according to normal average time. Start doing your work now.
Ma'am, what is alloy? Alloy?
What, Yashmit?
I'm not. Ma'am, just couldn't. Ma'am, I'm saying what is written after I am made up of in the 16.
Beta, I am made up of alloy and nickel. So let me just give you a hint. I'm talking about the layers of lithosphere.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Now I will join properly.
Now
I will join properly.
you have joined properly, but still you can't hear me. Amoli, does it happen with other classes also? In other classes, are you able to hear other teachers?
Yes, ma'am.
But it is only with me that you're not being able to hear me.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes.
Ma'am, so now, ma'am, she can understand what are you saying.
What?
Ma'am, she is saying she can't hear your voice properly, but she can hear now.
Beta, maybe she's not being able to hear it very clearly like you are able to hear. Okay, I have shared the work in class group also, children. Please continue doing the work from there.
Ma'am, what you have written 15 question I am made up of.
What, Mokshit?
Ma'am, what you written 15 question I am made up of.
I am made up of alloy and nickel.
Ma'am, can you tell me spelling I can say properly?
Mokshit, beta, I'm not able to hear you clearly. What you're saying?
Ma'am, can you tell me spelling?
ALLOY is alloy and NICKEL is nickel.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of
Okay, ma'am.
What is the
Ma'am,
meaning
what
of?
excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am, alloy.
Beta, alloy is a metal.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of below?
What is the meaning of? Below. Below means under something. Water below the ground. Water under the ground is found in dash and dash. Now you have to name two things.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
excuse me.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the 18th one,
Hmm.
what below the ground is found in
In
the blanks we will write the layers.
no, not the layers. See, it is given in the chapter domains of the earth, hydrosphere. Just try to find from there. Water below the ground is found where, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Found it?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm trying to scroll down. Ma'am, then just correct.
What, beta?
Ma'am, done करो.
Ma'am, I have done first page.
Very quick, very nice.
Ma'am, I have done the both pages.
Very nice, very good. We are going to discuss the answers in the last 5 minutes.
Ma'am, can you zoom it?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you zoom it a little bit?
Zoom it. Okay.
Ma'am, you have written in what it means.
What, beta, in which sentence?
Ma'am, in 24 sentence, you have written ink.
I am the blanket of air surrounding the earth.
Okay, ma'am. I have written.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am. What is 26th question?
I am a large area of barren land.
Ma'am, please say again.
I am a large area of barren land.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, do I write the answer of 26 in plural form or in a singular form?
I am a large area of beta singular form.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please check the chat box.
Beta network is weak, so I have shared the work on WhatsApp. You can see from there and do your work. If you can't see the shared screen, you can see from WhatsApp.
Ma'am, we should discuss.
Everyone has done.
Ma'am, I am going. My is going to.
How many are still doing? Tell me.
I am doing.
Ma'am, I Akshita is doing. I am on the last one.
Ma'am, I am doing Bhavya on the 24th one.
Okay, do it. We'll discuss only when all of you will have finished it.
Ma'am, means we will discuss tomorrow.
Yes, we are going to discuss it tomorrow.
Ma'am, I have done Shobit.
Very nice, very good.
Ma'am, I have done discrimination Kannada.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I think now my fourth copy is going to fill in 5 days.
In 5 days, it is going to get filled.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you saying? It is going to get filled in 5 days.
Yes, ma'am. Because only it has 5.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done. Sorry.